Hello and welcome to this full body morning yoga routine. In less than 10 minutes, we're going to target the shoulders, the neck, and the upper back. So this class is a posture improver. Once you have your block, we'll get started. From any seated position, bring your hands together to Namaste. Roll your shoulders back and down and broaden the chest, the collarbones widening towards the shoulders. Then intertwine the fingers and extend the arms long in front of you. From there, inhale and reach the arms high up overhead. Draw your elbows in and keep your arms very straight. Then separate the hands and reach them wide to the sides, keeping the shoulders soft. Reach long all the way to the fingertips. Then hold your block with both hands as I'm showing. And yes, place it on top of your head. Flatten the palms against the sides of the block and move your elbows back to line them up with your shoulders. Maintain that orientation and reach the arms high up overhead. Pressing into the block, see if you can draw your elbows in. Try and maintain equal pressure from the right and the left hand as you reach the arms up. Then bring the block back down to the head and release it all the way down. Now come into child pose and support your forehead on the block. You can keep the block on whatever height that is comfortable for you. We're going to have the arms really long at first, extending all the way to the fingertips and keeping the elbows up and softening the shoulders down the back. Then we'll reach the arms back and release the shoulders, outer shoulders, down towards the floor to slightly round the back. Then arms again forward and all the way up. Come to a stance near a wall so you can lean your shoulders and your hips against the wall with your feet slightly away from the wall. Bend your knees for a wall sit and tilt the pelvis so that the lower back remains long. Start with the palms against the wall and then rotate the arms so the palms face up, pushing the back of the hands into the wall. And then from there, we'll once more reach the arms out to the sides, keeping the shoulders against the wall and the little finger touching the wall as well. Keep the shoulders soft and then rotate and the palms face towards the middle of the room. Extend all the way from the center of the chest to the fingertips. Now turn so the palms face up. Rotate the outer upper arms so that the triceps engage. And now, hands all the way up towards the ceiling with the palms facing towards the middle of the room, and then bring the hands down. Then straighten the legs and lean back against the wall. Keep the shoulders back towards the wall and the chest lifted. With your hands on the hips, tilt the pelvis for another wall sit. You want to have your lower back almost flattened to the wall, and you want to take your abdomen back to make that possible. Stay here for a few breaths, pressing the palms to the wall, and then reach the arms high up towards the ceiling. Keep the sides of your waist long. Keep extending through your fingertips and breathe. Now palms face each other. Outer upper arms roll in towards the nose. Then arms forward and all the way down. And coming back to an upright position. Now we'll put these actions together away from the wall. So tilting the pelvis, rolling the shoulders back. Keeping the lower back long, straightening the legs. Once more, bending the legs, lower back long, hands on the hips, elbows back to keep the chest lifted. Then arms way up high for chair pose, reaching up through the sides of the waist as we sit deep into the pose. Then straighten your legs, extend the chest forward, elbows up for a modified uttanasana. Squeeze the upper back muscles in towards the spine and reach the arms back. Then lift the chest and come back to Tadasana. Take a breath with the hands on the hips, bend forward and keep the elbows up. Reach the arms back and lengthen the front chest towards the chin. Bring the hands down to the floor, bend the legs, and step the legs back to downward facing dog. Lift the hips up and back and move the upper back in, then bend your knees and come down for child pose. Next, we're going to get ready to rest onto the back. Let's keep the legs bent as we lie onto the back. Hold on to the sides of the mat, lift your hips, and remember that pelvic tilt. Lengthen the lower back, abdomen descends. Holding on to the sides of the mat, bend your knees towards your chest. Keep the lower back pressing down towards the floor, and while you exhale, straighten the legs up towards the ceiling. Now, as you can see, I'm grabbing onto the mat and pulling it away from my shoulder so that I can draw the shoulders down and maintain that position. Bend the legs, and when you're ready, legs go up, abdomen descends, and once more we stretch the mat towards the hips. Let's repeat one more time to activate those core muscles that take care of our spine and help us to stand up straight. Stretch the legs up, shoulders down, and keep the breath flowing. Then put your feet onto the floor. Just pull your knees in towards your chest and wrap the fingers around the shins if you can. Lift the head, bring the forehead towards your knees to fully round your back. Take a few breaths right there, and then release the back all the way down. And then when you're ready, put your feet back down onto the floor and take a moment to breathe and relax. Rest the knees against each other. Then turn to your side. Push with your hands to bring you to a seated position. I hope you enjoyed this short practice. This is one that you can definitely do daily and feel that strength coming into the core and the back. Thank you and namaste.